So, can anybody tell me how companies get away with marketing drinks as having zero sugar when it has sucralose in it? Like, they take sucrose and change three things. They actually add chlorine in place of three atoms, three molecules, however you want to say it, right? They add chlorine to it, and somehow that is being marketed as a safer alternative than sugar. It's 600 times sweeter than sugar, which probably makes it more addictive than sugar is. And if you just look at the chemical composition, it's the fucking same, bro. It is the same. I'm gonna put it right here. Like, and then it makes sense because the same people selling rebranded sugar to us, 111, and putting no sugar, zero sugar on like everything, even though they're pumping it full of, I don't even know what to call it, like sugar B. That's what we'll call it, sugar B, right? Are the same people that, the fuck? Oh, peanuts. Are the same people that are marketing Adderall as not meth. But if you look at the chemical composition, and so I'm sitting here and I'm thinking about it and I'm like, all right, this is just like the Office meme where they're like, corporate wants you to identify the difference between these two pictures. And she's like, it's the same picture. That's the type of energy that this is giving. Like, please make it make sense how if sucralose is sucrose with chlorine added to it, how does that make it not sugar? I'm just so confused. That's like taking water and adding salt to it and saying it's not water anymore. It's a brand new product. Now, some of you might get on here and be like, yeah, it's salt water, dumbass. But, yeah, exactly. You're still recognizing it as salt water. So then that means you would recognize sucralose as sugar, chlorine sugar. There we go. So I feel like at least if they're going to market it as zero sugar, then they should at least put chlorine sugar on there instead. Yeah, it's not sugar, it's chlorine sugar. And maybe that'll make people more eager to like choose that instead of the regular sugar. I'm not advocating for sugar, by the way. The goal is to get away from sugar and artificial sweeteners. Like, you have natural sugar and like fruit and stuff like that, you know what I mean? But they just want to keep everybody addicted to sweetness. It's ridiculous. And sucralose isn't even a good alternative to sugar. Now, most articles that you're going to find are going to say that there's no major links to that and any type of illnesses or anything like that. But I have found several articles that were saying that there are, in fact, links to sucralose and health problems. And so, I mean, it's up to you to do your own research, but I personally just feel like it should be illegal to say a drink has zero sugar in it when it's chock full of chlorinated sugar, when you have chlorine sugar in the drink. Yeah, there's no sugar, but there's chlorine sugar, you know what I mean? Like it's not sugar, bro. 444. It's like the chlorine takes away the calories. It's like they missed the whole point. They took away the calories, but it's still sugar. You can't just say it's... Am I being received by people right now? That's what I need to know. That's all I need to know. Am I being received right now?